Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kumusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. In this tutorial, you will learn about extending greetings. A very common Tagalog greeting that is extended beyond the other party you are talking to is inquiring about people or things that he or she cares about. Like, Kumusta ang pamilya mo? How's your family? The usual response to Kumusta ang pamilya mo is Mabuti or Mabuti naman, followed by Sa awa ng Diyos, which means by the grace of God or by the mercy of God. Sa awa ng Diyos or by the grace of God is often added after Mabuti naman or fine when inquiries are about members of the family. Here are some common Tagalog greetings extended to your friend's family and family members. Kumusta ang pamilya mo? How's your family? Kumusta ang tatay mo? How's your father? Kumusta ang nanay mo? How's your mother? Kumusta ang mister mo? How's your husband? Kumusta ang misis mo? How's your wife? Kumusta ang mga anak mo? How are your children? Your usual response, Mabuti or Mabuti naman sa awa ng Diyos. It's time again for some useful vocabulary. O ano, how's it? Heto, here, maganda, beautiful, pretty, buhay, alive, pa, yet, still, humihinga, breathing, maigi, fine, laro, game, nakakaraos, surviving, pilay, sprain, trabaho, work, likod, back, tuhod, knee. Let us practice. Repeat after me. O ano, Ben? Kumusta? Heto, buhay pa. Mabuti sa wala. O ano, Ben? Kumusta? Heto, humihinga pa. O ano, Ben? Kumusta? Heto, nakakaraos naman. O ano, Ben? Kumusta? Heto, gwapo pa rin. Here, still handsome. Mabuti sa wala, better than nothing. Eto, buhay pa. Here, still alive. Humihinga pa, still breathing. Nakakaraos naman, barely surviving. These seemingly unenthusiastic responses, saying exactly the opposite of what one wants to say, are not uncommon in Tagalog conversation. They are not to be taken seriously. When said informally or in jest, especially between and among friends, they actually mean things couldn't be better. Of course, you should be sensitive to the other person's situation. So, once again, to inquire about someone close to your friend, kumusta ang pamilya mo? How's your family? To inquire about the place your friend has been to, kumusta ang Maynila? How's Manila? A typical response would be, maganda. To inquire about something your friend is concerned about, kumusta ang trabaho mo? How's your job? Kumusta ang business mo? Kumusta ang tennis mo? Kumusta ang golf mo? Kumusta ang likod mo? Kumusta ang laro mo? Kumusta ang pilay mo? Kumusta ang tuhod mo? Response: ayos lang, maigi, or maigi naman, mabuti, or mabuti naman, mabuti sa wala, nakakaraos naman. By this time, you should be able to extend or expand your greetings by inquiring about people and things that are dear to your friend. This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!